Deliver optimal performance with reliable, impact-resistant, and easy-to-install controls for regulating large amounts of electrical currents in any industrial facility. Enerlites commercial-grade heavy-duty toggle switches join our standard light commercial use toggles for increased power and capabilities in industrial environments. The short lever design makes it easy to turn equipment on or off, while the steel mounting strap ensures a secure fit. Our new line of toggle switches is made to control high-powered equipment. Their thermoplastic nylon casing withstands high-voltage transfers. Each toggle switch features a self-grounding mounting tab for easy metal box installation. A green grounding screw is also included if additional grounding is needed when using a plastic box. All switches are UL listed. Enerlites double pole toggles come in 20A and 30A versions. They power 240-volt appliances and motors, such as warehouse roll-up doors, air compressors, generators, and line heaters. The 20A and 30A toggles also come in red pilot light models, helpful for added security in situations where you want to be alerted that the load is on. Our single-pole 20A toggles come in single, 3-way, and 4-way configurations to conveniently control electric power equipment and lighting in large areas. Use Enerlites commercial-grade toggle switches in high-energy demand and tough environments, such as factories, warehouses, and electrical control centers. Find the right control devices for your facility and see how Enerlites can add value to your project at Enerlites.com.